Hey guys, here making some quick meal. Happy Monday, guys. Hope everyone has had a great weekend. So I got this already prepped, and I'm just gonna pour this in here: the onions and green peppers and my pepper. Now I love my peppers, okay, and my onions. How y'all feel? Comment below and keep it peaceful. Keep it peaceful, guys. Today has been one of them days, but it's been a great day, though. See, and I got this going on here. Got this mixing on up in here. Spaghetti day. A little short pack bag. I threw it in the trash, guys, but it was a little. So, you know, when things, baby, you want different, you have to move different. The little pack. So I'm trying to stretch this, the little small pack of hamburger, and I'm not exaggerating. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Go to Walmart, you probably could get 2 or 3 hamburgers out of homemade hamburgers. So I'm making a stretch. I got my water boiling. I'm figuring I may have probably some, I got my garlic bread ready here. This is what's gonna be going on. Got my garlic bread ready to go in the oven, cheese bread. Maybe some corn or some mixed vegetables or something, you know, for the veggie. And to be honest, it'll be the green peppers. You feel what I'm saying? And look, this oregano, the herbs. Because it may not even be that the way how I'm feeling. Okay? So guys, how do you do your spaghetti? And then I like turkey meat, but this is regular meat. I put a dash of sugar, just a little dash of it, to get the little taint off the spaghetti. Do y'all do that? Comment below. Keep it peaceful. Okay? I'll put a little dash of it to keep the taint, get that taint, y'all know what I mean, off. And I already put my seasoning stuff in there, guys. I said, let me get ahead and do a video and share with you guys, let you guys know what I got going on, okay, for dinner today. A little short video. Shout out to all of you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and just show love, guys. Just show love, okay? I believe I may do a live later because I have a few shout outs to do. A few shout outs I have to do. I want to speak on because I just got into my YouTube studio and a lot I have seen, and I want to thank you guys for all the love, and you still been rocking with a sister, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you all that be pushing it up, you know, leaving them comments, and remember, push it up, leave a comment, keep it peaceful, and I love you guys. This is what I got going on. Talk to a sister. Mwah.